Expert tips for finding the cheapest car insurance. We know that car insurance can get pretty expensive. That's why we're here to help you find the right car insurance policy for you. Remember that price should not be the only factor when choosing car insurance. Sometimes paying a little more will give you many times more features and cover. However, there are a few things that you can do to flex the price of your car insurance. 1. Compare prices and policies. Let's start with the most obvious. The car insurance market is very competitive with a number of insurers all looking for your business. Comparing them all yourself would take you an age. With us, it couldn't be easier. Fill in some details about you and the car and leave the rest to us. We'll compare a host of different insurance providers and show you your options so you can choose the right policy for you. 2. Which car you drive makes a big difference. The type of car and the value of it significantly affects the amount of money you'll pay. As nice as it may be, if you go for a high-powered luxury car, you're usually going to be quoted a higher premium than a small hatchback. This will vary significantly with your age and driving experience too. If you're a younger driver, we're afraid you can expect to pay a lot more until you build up some driving experience. 3. Flex your excess. Policy excess is the amount of money that you have to pay in the event of an accident before your insurance policy kicks in. If you think that you want to keep your excess as low as possible in your policy, you might want to think again. If you increase your excess from the minimum amount to one that you can still afford, it should have a beneficial effect on the premium you'll pay. Just make sure you can afford the excess should you need to make a claim. 4. Increase security. Some insurance providers will offer a reduced premium if you increase the security on your vehicle. From an industry-approved steering wheel lock to an approved immobilizer, improvements you make to security could help keep your premiums down. If you can physically keep your car in a locked garage or on a private driveway at night, then do so. That too could have a positive impact on reducing your premium. 5. Don't modify your car. You might like it, but typically insurers don't. It may limit the amount of insurance providers that will offer you a quote and will typically cost you more. 6. Restrict how much you drive. Typically insurance providers will ask for your annual mileage. If you're able to keep this to the lowest achievable number, it could also help lower your premiums. 7. Driving well will help over time. Driving well will, over time, help your bank balance. If you rack up penalty points, your premiums will usually increase. If you do incur some points, you must tell your insurance provider. They may adjust your premium, and failure to tell them could invalidate your policy. If you're a young driver and confident in your abilities, you may want to investigate getting a black box or telematics insurance policy. This is a gadget that's put inside your car or an app on your phone that relays details of how you're driving to your insurance provider. They will gradually reward good driving with lower premiums over time. If you're looking to learn how much your car insurance is going to cost you, you're in the right place. Compare insurance prices here today.